Today we're back at talking about Hearns Workshop.
Yeah, it's good.
We haven't done it for a little while.
Yes.
So we've got a few new sets here that are becoming available very soon. Just done the last few print runs, I guess.
Yeah.
And the last few days. So it's popping up here.
Yep. Just change the angle there.
Here we go. So we've got a bit for everyone today. So we have train stuff.
Yep.
On this side here.
Yep.
Got armor. I guess 1/35 scale armor.
Yeah. Well, you could use that with
anything really.
Civilian stuff
Civilian
too.
stuff as well.
Yeah. So some crates.
And then slot cars.
Yes.
So this is still a work in progress. So
Yes.
let's start from, I think one of the most exciting one is the railway buffer stop,
Yes.
which is this one here. So this is a set with 6 buffer stops.
Yep.
For Victorian rail type diorama or railway sets.
Yeah.
So it will come, as I say, in a set of 6, and you've got 2 different variations. So this is the more basic one, which gives you the 2 posts and the board. It does have all the details with the
bolts.
with the bolts up here. Let's see if you can see. We can see nicely with the bolts up here and and all the boards. And this is the simple version.
So if you don't know what a buffer stop is, this is it's like the fence which is at the end of some rail. So when you're parking the train, and it's basically to stop it from like traveling all the way through, falling off the end of the track. And these particular ones, they're prototypical Victorian ones.
Yeah.
So standard.
And then we have a more detailed version, which is this one here.
Yeah.
This is actually being reproduced from the original drawings, available from I think Victoria Rail.
Yes.
And they include also the all the construction, the how do we call it?
It's like the foundation.
The foundation, exactly. Yes,
Yeah.
the foundation. So this is more detailed. There will be a bit more work to install them actually.
Yes.
But they'll be really good for a diorama type scenario
absolutely.
where you may have them exposed, perhaps.
Yes. So if it's an unused rail where you want to see all that foundation visible, then these will be perfect.
Yes.
Because they need to be inset into the base a bit.
So the rail will effectively sit on top of these slippers here.
Yes.
And so the rail will be above here. So once it's fully installed on a railway set, the bottom part here will be fully covered with ballast and so forth.
Yes.
So you probably don't see it. That's why we produce those, which are actually just a post with a board, effectively. So these will be available in the next few days, and they're designed for HO and 00 scale type sets, really.
Yes. Yeah, cool.
Okay, so that's one. Number 2. Okay, so Vijay, this is definitely down your type of dioramas.
Yes, so it's a selection of crates. So we've got some ammo crates. There's a German machine gun ammo crates. So for MG38-42 type multi-purpose machine gun. And then there's open crates as well, like for food. And then there's sealed crates as well. So equipment crates.
This stuff here.
Yeah.
And then it's ammo crates. Ammo
that's
boxes.
right. Yep.
Let's see if you can see them up here. It's a bit small. This one's here, 3 ammo boxes.
Yep.
And we've got a couple of different sizes of ball pens.
So wooden open crates.
Open crates. So we're producing these in different scales, which will be definitely 35th scale for a start.
Yes.
And probably 72nd as well, I guess.
Yes.
Perhaps 48. So that will cover all your typical diorama scales.
Yep.
And we can do them bigger if anyone wants anything bigger. I guess we can produce them individually. As you get bigger, I guess we'll have to split the set. The set is going to be sold in this kind of configuration, so that's a bit of a mix. Mix set.
The simple things like this add so much to a diorama.
Yes, that's right. So, okay, this diorama set, and then we are almost finishing the slot car set. This is in 32nd scale, obviously.
Yeah.
And we'll come with a mix set of tools and I guess equipment for a garage type.
Yeah, so we've got some witches hats. There's the rolling jack. There's air filters.
Car battery.
Yep. A tool set. So spanners and oil bottles.
And oil bottles, yes. Yeah, and a spray can as well.
Oh, spray cans,
yeah. So a bit of a variety that will be quite nice. I get in a slot car layout.
Yeah.
That's how we designed it originally. But we're going to produce these in 24 scale as well.
Yes.
And that will be good for your 24 scale car dioramas.
Yeah, for sure.
Which will be quite nice.
Yeah.
So as you see, a lot of work has been put in the past couple of months, and quite a few sets are going to be released very soon.
Yep. These are looking really good. They're
Definitely.
pretty close to production. These are production ready.
These are production ready. These other two needed a little bit more attention, but this one and this one here should be coming out very soon, potentially next week. We'll probably do a quick tutorial on how to use them.
Yes.
And then probably next week we'll have more development on the liter tram. So
yes,
liter tram is our favorite.
Yep.
So
It's got an adopted name now.
it's got an adopted name.
Yep. It's called Plugger.